In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana. We'll walk through a first-time setup, explore the key views you'll use every day, and finish by creating a project and reviewing basic reporting so you feel confident navigating Asana from the moment you log in. Begin by opening the Asana login page. Choose Continue with Google to sign in quickly and securely, then select your Google account. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may be guided through that process. Just follow the prompts. Once you're in, expand the sidebar so you can clearly see all navigation options. Head to Home to get a snapshot of recent activity and quick links. Next, open My Tasks. This is your personal command center where everything assigned to you appears. You can organize tasks with due dates, sections, and priorities to stay on top of your workload. Then check Inbox where updates, comments, and mentions live. It's a great habit to review and archive what you've read so the signal stays clear. Move into reporting to see high-level insights, and then open portfolios to group related projects and track their status in one place. Explore goals to connect your work to bigger objectives, ensuring projects and tasks ladder up to measurable outcomes. Jump into projects next, where your teams collaborate and execute. Use the plus button to create something new. You can add a new project or a new portfolio. For a fast start, choose the cross-functional project plan template. Give it a clear name, add collaborators, and decide who should have access. Inside the project, switch to Project Timeline to visualize your schedule and dependencies across time. Try the list view for a structured, spreadsheet-like layout, and the board view for a Kanban-style workflow. On the board, click and drag tasks to move them between columns as work progresses. Open a task to assign an owner, set a due date, add a description, and create subtasks or comments, all in one place. Return to Timeline when you want to check sequencing, then head to Dashboard for auto-generated charts. Adjust the time frame using the option labeled 7 and toggle other views, like 6 or 3, to compare different slices of your data. Dive into charts such as total incomplete tasks by section and total tasks by completion status to spot bottlenecks and celebrate progress. Switch to Calendar to see tasks mapped by date. Click highlighted days or tasks to adjust deadlines or add details. Finally, open Workflow to explore automation. Things like auto-assigning tasks, updating fields, or moving tasks when statuses change. That's your quick start in Asana. Log in, master your sidebar, use My Tasks and Inbox daily, create projects from templates, and lean on Timeline, Dashboard, Calendar, and Workflow to plan, track, and automate your work.